J-ZILLA was asking me, he's like, how come you're not coming to eat lunch with me? And I said, because we're not supposed to for the first 2 weeks. And he said that everybody else's mommy and daddies are, so I guess we are too.
Now we're going to get up there, and there's going to be no other parents there. It was just his little ploy to get us to come up there, I bet.
I like this trip monster.
Yeah. Leave my sticker on me, Bubba. Hey, let me see your fingers.
Actually, it's over there on the floor.
Is this how your fingers always are when you eat lunch, dude? That's messy, man.
Okay. You ready for school? No. You got a backpack and lunchbox? Yeah.
So while we were at lunch, one of J-ZILLA's friends brought his old lunchbox and old backpack for little Zilla. He thinks he's going to school now.
No.
No.
Are you kidding me, kid?
No.
Did you really have to sit in the water?
No.
Okay, so the Zillas are out here emptying the pool with their little water guns. They're attempting to empty the pool at least. And little Zilla has sat in the water. It's a pain to empty the pool because it doesn't empty all the way. You have to like actually pull and tip it over basically. You see Daisy inside? She's freaking out because we're not letting her outside right now. What's up, dude? You playing outside? Awesome! We'll check in on you in a little while, okay? You can crawl through the doggy door. Well, then I guess you'll just stay out there. Oh. Oh, whoops, we put the doggy door down.
You're so mean, Daddy.
You'll be okay, buddy. Where's your brother? Where's your brother? Where's little Zilla? I think he wants to play with you.
No, he don't.
Yeah, he does.
No.
Yeah.
No, he's playing by himself.
You should go play with your little brother.
You're gonna get CPS calling us for child labor and locking the kids outside, babe.
What? I'll unlock it.
Okay.
Hey, what's up, dude? We can hear you now better. What you doing? What you doing out there, dude? You guys know I'm just kidding around. I would never lock him out there.
Open the door.
Why are you trying to come in the doggy door?
The door was unlocked the whole
We left it unlocked, dude.
No.
Yeah, that whole time it was unlocked. Uh-huh.
How?
Because I unlocked it?
No, it was because you were pushing it.
No. You know I wouldn't lock you out there on purpose, dude.
Here's my zombie mom.
Hey, wait, show them.
Awesome. Show them.
That is a scary looking zombie. You made that all by yourself?
Uh-huh.
Awesome. What was Bubba eating? But it was honey mustard?
Some more.
Yeah?
It's hot.
You got some homemade chicken nuggets,
Hey,
huh?
Bubba, hot.
Was that funny?
Yes, Bubba, hot. Huh?
That's funny, watching you drink a drink, dude.
Okay, all done. Will you give me some more?
Yummy. You like honey mustard? Good, huh?
Ow!
And you guys know that those chicken strips right there are the gluten-free ones that Miss Gluten-Free Tips over here showed you guys how to make last week.
Yep.
If you tried them, go leave a video response. That'd be awesome. If you guys just did like some little clip of saying what you thought about it and attach it to our video, that'd be awesome.
On my channel, not Eric TV 365.
Yeah, because I'm a loser.
We know this.
Hey, that is not nice. Is that your dinner?
Yeah.
It's in a container.
It is. It's my dinner.
I'm gonna go eat some good food. I'm going to go get a steak.
Where? We don't have any steaks here.
I'm going to imagine what I'm eating is a steak. Gosh, duh.
What do you guys want?
Ice cream! Ice cream!
We all scream for ice cream. Why don't you get up, Daddy, and fix him some ice cream?
I got busy.
Hey, you know what? If you guys get off of him, he might be able to go fix ice cream. You think so, J-ZILLA? How? How is he supposed to fix ice cream when you guys are on top of him?
Is he riding me like a horse?
My daddy petty.
Is Daddy a horsey?
No, maybe.
He's a moo. Say, giddy up, Daddy. You gotta spank his butt to make him go fast.
No.
Yeah.
No.
That's how you make horsies go fast.
No.
Is by spanking them.
Honey.
I'm gonna strip, honey.
Oh man.
She was hoping so. All I was gonna say was, I really think the hot wife needs to cut my hair tonight. What do you guys think? Everybody keeps saying no, and some people say yes.
I like to comment that the hot wife does enough.
Check out my new necklace, guys. It's a Zilla necklace. What the heck, y'all? What's so funny? Hey, little Zilla. Little Zilla. What's up, J-ZILLA? What's wrong, honey? Hey, Buzz, what's up over there? Just gonna play a little bit of games in the toy room for a little bit. What do you guys think? It sounds like fun, huh?
Goggles a little too tight on you, honey.
You don't think they look good? I don't look like some sexy construction worker cut type of guy.
Not at all.
What do you guys think? Sexy construction worker?